What are the factors in prevention, mitigation, and disaster preparedness? So, dealing with disaster. Disaster means sudden action or a sudden accident is called as a disaster. Okay, then question क्या है अभी? Question number 4 is a note on a dealing with disaster, how to deal with disaster, or what are the factor in prevention, mitigation, and disaster preparedness. So dealing with disaster, it can be done with prevention, mitigation. Mitigation means what? It is a action of reducing the severity. Okay, is a mitigation or a relief and rehabilitation. Okay, and disaster preparedness. Disaster deal with the prevention, mitigation, relief and rehabilitation, and disaster preparedness. So first is a prevention. In prevention, first point is a primary prevention. There are three types of prevention: primary prevention, secondary, and tertiary prevention. Okay, so primary prevention is a before event, means before disaster event, we can say that disaster. So before disaster, first is the immunization. पिक्चर शो हो रही है ना? सो डिजास्टर में देखो, यहाँ पे डायग्राम है. प्री डिजास्टर मीन्स बिफोर डिजास्टर, means pre-disaster risk reduction. Then preparedness we can means prevention, हम prevention कर सकते हैं. Okay, then after disaster, relief, rehabilitation and reconstruction means mitigation. Relief, rehabilitation, reconstruction means mitigation. पोस्ट डिजास्टर मीन्स आफ्टर डिजास्टर. डिजास्टर के यहाँ पे फोर फॉर्म्स है. फर्स्ट इज अ प्रिवेंशन, प्री डिजास्टर, देन प्रिपेयर्डनेस, देन मिटिगेशन एंड पोस्ट डिजास्टर. प्रिपेयर्डनेस में रिस्क रिडक्शन होता है. देन प्रिपेयर्डनेस में क्या कर सकते हैं? प्रिवेंशन कर सकते हैं. एंड मिटिगेशन इज अ रिलीफ, रिहैबिलिटेशन. And post disaster means before, after disaster. After disaster क्या कर सकते हैं? Recovery. Okay, there are four forms of disaster. So prevention, prevent outbreaks. प्राइमरी प्रिवेंशन में क्या करेंगे? प्रिवेंट आउटब्रेक्स, प्रोटेक्ट अगेंस्ट रिस्क आइडेंटिफाइड इन हजार्ड्स, vulnerability and need assessment, conduct community education in first aid, personal hygiene and injury prevention. Okay, conduct कर सकते हैं community education in first aid, personal hygiene and injury prevention. Next point is protect and distribute safe food and water. प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट सेफ फूड एंड वाटर, एंश्योर अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ एंड functionality means re-establish of sanitation system. Then secondary prevention or second prevention is a response to event. First is before event, second prevention is a response to event. कैसे response कर सकते हो? Detect the extricate victim. Detect and extricate means we can say the extract victim. Okay, detect the victim. Then organize services and treatment, provide emergency medical care, conduct care identification and surveillance. वहाँ पे surveillance की spelling गलत गलत है यहाँ. Means close observation. Conduct identification and close observation, establish infection disease control, then conduct short-term counselability intervention, manage emergency services, then burial of dead bodies. This is the second prevention or response to event. Third prevention is a recovery. Recovery from events, provide long-term counseling, एंड मेंटल हेल्थ इंटरवेंशन मीन्स काउंसलिंग प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं हम। रिकवरी फ्रॉम इवेंट्स के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं, तो प्रोवाइड अ लॉन्ग टर्म काउंसलिंग एंड मेंटल हेल्थ इंटरवेंशन। देन मैनेज इमरजेंसी सर्विसेज, मैनेज इंजरीज एंड क्लीन अप बिहेवियर मीन्स सराउंडिंग क्लीन अप कर सकते, क्लीन अप द injuries and clean up the surrounding behaviors, re-establish health services, use record from response to update action plans. Okay, so this is the third prevention means recovery from events. A point is a prevention में हमने उसके three types देखे, primary, secondary and tertiary. Then B point is a mitigation means action of reducing the severity, or mitigation is a sustained action. Sustained action means we can say that without interruption, continuous action. Mitigation is a continuous action or a sustained action to reduce or eliminate risk to people and property from a disaster. Okay, it is known as a mitigation. The mitigation effort must include emergency housing, especially after floods. Efforts कौन कौन से हैं मिटिगेशन के? Efforts include emergency housing, especially after a floods. अभी सडन सिचुएशन चली है ना ऐसी, mass population movement in an attempt to find better water and a food supplies, provision of means provide of supply of safe drinking water in emergencies, repair to homes, drain etc. in emergencies, early spread of disinfectant to control the epidemic and mosquitoes etc. Okay, so this is the efforts of mitigation. Okay, then what is the goal of mitigation? Goal क्या है उसका? To create economically secure communities means secure communities को establish करना, to create a economically secure communities is a goal of mitigation. Then to create a social stable communities, to create a better built communities, then to create a more environmentally sound communities. Okay, this is the goal of mitigation. Then tool for mitigation, tools क्या है? Hazards identification and mapping. Tool used for the mitigation is hazards identification and mapping, design and construction application, land use planning, financial incentives, insurance, structural control. So these are the tools for a mitigation. Then disaster mitigation strategies for a droughts. Mitigation strategies for the droughts हैं यहाँ पे, not the flood. Risk identification. Then agricultural improvement. First is a risk identification. Next agricultural improvement. कैसे कर सकते हैं? Agricultural improvement means protection of forest by water resources development, introduction of drip irrigation, water intention in dams and grazing patterns. Next point in disaster mitigation strategies, लैंड यूज प्लानिंग फॉर सेकेंड क्या था? एग्रीकल्चरल इम्प्रूवमेंट, जिसमें हमने क्या देखे? एग्रीकल्चर इम्प्रूवमेंट कैसे कर सकते हैं? बाय द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ फॉरेस्ट, वाटर रिसोर्सेज डेवलपमेंट एंड ऑल. ओके, सेकेंड पॉइंट क्या है? लैंड यूज प्लानिंग. इन दैट लैंड यूज प्लानिंग टू ओवर droughts, number of livestock per unit area, maximum population density, limitation on amount of water for a public use and agricultural use, means limits on amount of water for a public use, industrial use and a agricultural use. Migration of animal herds to non-emergency areas, means simple words में लिखा हुआ है ये सब. Then C point is a disaster preparedness. A में क्या देखे हमने? प्रिवेंशन. ओके, disaster deal with the prevention, mitigation, and C point is a disaster preparedness. So what is disaster preparedness? Disaster preparedness is defined as a state of readiness. मतलब if we know कि disaster is coming, then disaster preparedness is defined as a state of readiness. हमको पहले से ही पता है कि disaster आने वाला है, तो हम ready रहेंगे ना. So readiness to response to a disaster is a disaster preparedness. Okay, preparedness constituents all measure taken before an event occur. Before and means all measure taken before an event occur, or we can say the disaster prevention, mitigation and readiness constituent disaster preparedness. So preparedness include क्या कर सकते हैं अगर हमको पहले से ही पता है. Designing warning system. Preparedness included designing warning systems, है ना. Warning system design कर सकते हैं. Then planning for a evacuation means expose, planning for a expose, then planning for a relocation. Storing food and water, store करके रख सकते हैं ना, water and foods. Building temporary shelters. Devising management strategies. Holding disaster drills and exercises. Then contingency planning. Contingency planning means emergency planning. Okay. Planning for a post impact response and recovery. These are the preparedness. Next, aim of preparedness. What is the aim? The aim of prepared is to be able to reduce the immediate mortality and morbidity. Means preparedness is to be able to reduce करना होता है क्या. What is the aim of preparedness? Reduce the mortality rate means death rate. Reduce the death rate. Okay. Preparedness is to be able to reduce the immediate mortality and morbidity. Next point is steps in preparedness. Preparedness consists of three basic steps. Three basic steps है इसके. What are they? Preparedness consists of three basic steps. Preparing a plan, training to a plan, exercising the plan. Okay, preparing a plan, training to a plan, and exercising the plan. Planning in preparedness, protection of the most vulnerable people in the community. Planning में क्या है? Planning in preparedness, protection of the most vulnerable people, or we can say the helpless people in the community. Protect करना उनको. Then seek the very young and the old, covering emergency housing. Then repair, replacement of the essential equipments, improvement of water supply and sanitation system, public information and education is the planning of preparedness. Then ensure early warning to communities at a risk. मतलब पहले से उनको warn करके रखना. Ensure early warning to communities at a risk. Logistic of the predicted need for health and social services. These are the planning in preparedness. Okay. So disaster deal with the prevention, mitigation, then disaster preparedness. Okay. Next question is human right issues in disaster. Human right issue in disaster, or write a note on human right issues in disaster. Or next question is describe issue related to compensation, equitable and fair distribution of relief and humanitarian approach to resettlement and rehabilitation. Three types of question आ सकता है. Okay, so the first one is a disaster. Disaster is a sudden accident, is called as a disaster. It causes great damage to life and over a material. Okay, then there are two types. हमने पढ़े question number 1 में. So there are two types, that is natural disaster and man-made disaster. Disaster concern with human life and human belonging means material and wealth. डिजास्टर कंसर्न किसे करता है? विथ ह्यूमन लाइफ एंड अ ह्यूमन बिलोंगिंग मीन्स मटेरियल एंड अ वेल्थ। दस डिजास्टर डैमेज ह्यूमन राइट। डिजास्टर क्या करता है? डैमेज करता है ह्यूमन राइट को। एट द सेम टाइम ह्यूमन हिमसेल्फ डील्स विद द डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट। इट इंक्लूड prevention, mitigation and rehabilitation of human being and its belonging. During prevention, mitigation and rehabilitation of human being must respect human being is human. Human rights include equality and human irrespective of caste, sex, status. Okay. Then during disaster management, the human rights should be respected. Disaster management deal with pre-disaster management and post-disaster management. Pre-disaster means before disaster, okay? Before disaster management, or post means after the disaster. In both cases, the human suffering from a disaster must treated equally. Means पहले भी before and after, pre-disaster में भी और post-disaster, human suffering from disaster. Means of disaster management, there are four types, four means of disaster management: compensation, equitable, humanitarian approach, fair distribution, relief. So first is the compensation. What is compensation? Compensation means for a disaster management, government provides certain monetary, material or a social compensation to those who lost due to डिजास्टर। यानी गवर्नमेंट क्या कर रही है? उनको प्रोवाइड कर रही है मटेरियल और सोशल कंपनसेशन। ओके, सो टाइप्स ऑफ कंपनसेशन, देयर आर फोर टाइप्स: मॉनिटरी, मटेरियल एंड सॉरी थ्री टाइप्स: मॉनिटरी, मटेरियल एंड सोशल। मॉनिटरी मीन्स एग्जाम्पल क्या है वहाँ पे? मनी। ओके, गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड मॉनिटरी or a material like food, medicines. Then socially, example rehabilitation and resettlement. Then compensation is human right of the compensation is human right of the sufferers of a disasters. It should be in time, in proportion. Okay. Then equitable in disaster management. There are five types: equitable in disaster management, religion equitable, then gender equitable, caste equitable, cultural equitable, status equitable. Okay, so compensation, relief, mitigation should be equitable as a human right. कंपनसेशन, रिलीफ और मिटिगेशन शुड बी इक्विटेबल, इक्वली होना चाहिए एज ए ह्यूमन राइट. सोसाइटी शुड नॉट बी ट्रीटेड पार्शली ऑन अ बेसिस ऑफ रिलीजन. मीन्स रिलीजन के बेसिस पे या जेंडर या कास्ट कल्चर के बेसिस पे पार्शलिटी नहीं होनी चाहिए. सोसाइटी शुड नॉट बी ट्रीटेड पार्शली ऑन अ बेसिस ऑफ रिलीजन, जेंडर, कास्ट, कल्चर एंड सोशल स्टेटस. सबका राइट एक ही जैसा होना चाहिए. ह्यूमन राइट ओके इक्वल होना चाहिए. उनको पार्शियली ट्रीटेड नहीं होना चाहिए. किसके बेसिस पे? रिलीजन, जेंडर, कास्ट, कल्चर एंड सोशल स्टेटस. ओके, एज अ कंपनसेशन is a human right. Similarly, equitable distribution, equitable treatment is a very important during a disaster management. It is very important. Okay, then humanitarian approach. Human rights says that there should be a humanitarian approach at every time when someone dealing with society. Okay, what say human right? Human rights says that there should be a humanitarian approach at every time when someone dealing with society. In disaster, man might lost his nearer and dearer. Disaster में क्या होता है? मैन लॉस्ट होते हैं ना, नियरर एंड डियरर उनके then he might lost material for a survival. Nature might play cruelly with him in such a moment. The humanitarian approach is very important. The society is formed by the human, for the human or of the human. सोसाइटी किस लिए फॉर्म होती है? ह्यूमन के लिए, है ना? बाय द ह्यूमन, फॉर द ह्यूमन एंड ऑफ द ह्यूमन. So therefore, under a crucial condition like a disaster, humanitarian approach should be followed. Rules, regulation, condition for a compensation. Rules, regulation, condition for a compensation, relief, rehabilitation should be डिप्यूटेड. वहां पे वो स्पेलिंग करेक्ट नहीं है, डिट्यूटेड नहीं है, डिप्यूटेड है. रूल्स, रेगुलेशन, condition for a compensation, relief and rehabilitation should be deputed. Red tapeism of a government. Red tapeism is a formal rules of government. Authorities should be consider humanitarian approach while disaster management. Last point is the fair distribution of relief, resettlement and rehabilitation. It is but natural resettlement and rehabilitation should be fair, fair during a disaster management. Equitable approach is a very important during a distribution of relief. Means सबको equally equal approach होना चाहिए. Equitable approach is a very important during distribution of relief. Human has a right to have fair distribution. सबको एक जैसा distribute होना चाहिए. So human has a right to have a fair distribution of a resettlement and rehabilitation. Qualitative and quantitative fairness. Equitability is to observe while a disaster management. ओके. देन यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल है. इन 2016 मलीन विलेज ऑफ पुणे डिस्ट्रिक्ट बरीड अंडर अ लैंड. यहाँ पे तुम अभी करंट सिचुएशन भी डाल सकते हैं. करंट कंडीशन जो है ना, चिपलोन फ्लड, पार्टली मैनमेड डिजास्टर, तो वो भी वहाँ पे राइट कर सकते हैं. सो Malin village of Pune district buried under a landslide due to a heavy rain. Government provided resettlement and rehabilitation for those in terms of houses, school, hospitals, etc. Within a 1 year, every material get deteriorate, collapse because of its quality. Okay. So here unit is completed. Unit 2 is completed. Okay.